You all know the deal. You're out camping, it's time for lunch, and you want to do some barbecuing. Let's see what's cooking. Now, nobody likes rifling through your storage, trying to pull out your dirty barbecue and set it up out here. If only there was a better way. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Let me introduce you to BillsBumperQ. Now, this is an aftermarket add-on that you can put on your RV. It makes it so that your barbecue is always here, always available, ready to go when you are. And look how easy it is to set up. See, you simply pull the pin out here, like that, and then this just swings just like that. Now, we're ready to barbecue whenever we want right here without trying to dig it in and out of the messy storage system. It's always right here. Now let's take a closer look at exactly what this is, how you install it, and how easy it really is. Now, it is quite simply just a mounting bracket that mounts to the bumper of your RV, and it just has this swing away arm with a plate here. Now let's take a closer look at the plate itself. The one thing you're going to notice about this mounting plate is it looks quite weird shaped compared to maybe the base of your barbecue. And that's because this one is made specifically for the Weber brand of barbecues. Now, the Weber brand of barbecues slips right into here easily, and it has a locking bar to hold it into place. And my intention was to get a Weber barbecue to put on here, but since I ordered this and I had it shipped, Weber has actually changed the model of barbecues that they make, and the one that this was made for is actually no longer available. You could purchase them still on Marketplace, or maybe from your friends that have one of these barbecues. The guys over at BillsBumperQ assure me that as the new Weber barbecues come out, they are able to adapt this mounting system to work for the most current generation ones. If you have an older Weber barbecue, then you just let them know and they will make one based on the old design. Now, I'm using a Costco barbecue for mine, which works with the bracket here. I just had to drill a couple extra holes in to bolt it into position and hold it onto here. You can get ones that will mount with your generic barbecue. You just have to let them know. Now, ordering something like this by going to BillsBumperQ.com, and I'll put a link down in the description where you can pick that up. Mounting it is super easy. I was able to mount mine in a matter of about 5 minutes, but I did have to make one slight change to my bumper before I could put it on, and I'll show that to you guys right now. Now, you can see my spare tire is currently over there. When I first bought this trailer, my spare tire was mounted right in the middle, and that made it so that when this thing swings away like that, it didn't have enough space for the spare tire and the bumper Q. So I just loosened this guy off, and they're very easy to do. You just loosen these bolts here and then slide it over and then lock it back down. So you can get all of the space that you need. And then this guy, as we already showed you, it just mounts with a similar system to your tire holder, and it just goes on here. You've got this one little locking pin here, which holds it in place. And when you take it off, it swings in and out very easily. Now, in my case, my door to my trailer is right there. I've actually got a fridge right there. So this is the natural barbecuing spot for my trailer. We are still underneath the awning, so if it was raining or something, we could easily still barbecue without getting soaking wet. This makes it extremely easy and convenient. Don't forget to check out BillsBumperQ.com if you're looking for one for yourself. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.